Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect SQL with Python. First, you'll need to install a suitable database connector library, such as scicopy2 for PostgreSQL or MySQL connector Python for MySQL. Once installed, import this library into your Python script. Then, establish a connection to your database by providing essential credentials like the host, database name, user, and password. This initial step is crucial for all subsequent database interactions. After establishing your connection, the next step is to create a cursor object. This cursor acts as an interface for executing SQL commands. You can then use the cursor's execute method to run any SQL statement, whether it's a data retrieval query like select or a data modification query such as insert or update. For select queries, remember to fetch your results using methods like fetchOwn for a single row or fetchAll for all rows. Security is paramount when interacting with databases. Always use parameterized queries to prevent SQL injection vulnerabilities, which are a major security risk. Instead of directly embedding values into your SQL strings, pass them as separate parameters to the execute method. This ensures that user input is treated as data, not executable code. Additionally, for any data modification queries like insert or update, remember to explicitly commit your changes to make them permanent in the database. Finally, it's essential to manage your database resources properly. Always close both the cursor and the database connection once your operations are finished. This releases system resources and prevents potential leaks. Furthermore, implement try except finally blocks in your code. This robust error handling ensures that even if an error occurs during database interaction, your connection and cursor are still closed in the finally block, maintaining application stability and resource integrity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.